Let's keep it real. Editing video can absolutely ruin your entire week if you let it. You sit there scrubbing through 10 minutes of raw footage just to find one decent take. You spend hours hunting for the best moments, cutting out filler words, and fixing audio levels. Then there is the music, the trimming, and the formatting for every single social media platform. Suddenly, half of your workday has just disappeared into the void of post-production. If you are new to the game, it all feels completely impossible to get right. But what if I told you that you could turn that whole mess into a polished 60-second clip in just a few minutes? That is exactly what I want to show you today using the power of AI. This tool is built specifically for creators who want to scale their content without becoming full-time video editors. The goal is not to replace your creativity, but to get rid of the boring, repetitive parts of the process. There are 3 things that make this software truly special for anyone looking to grow. It auto-edits viral-ready clips from long videos, it handles your post-scheduling, and it organizes your entire content calendar. I do not want to sound like a paid advertisement, so I am going to show you how it actually works with a real messy clip. Picture this. I filmed a 10-minute ramble talking about health tips for a fitness account. I messed up lines, I paused awkwardly, I forgot my microphone, and the dog even started barking. Normally, I would have to watch the whole thing, scrub back and forth, and cut for hours. So instead, I uploaded the raw file to this AI tool without any complicated setup. I asked it to make me a 1-minute version that removes all the repetition and the filler words. Within a couple of minutes, it scanned the footage and produced a trimmed version that highlights the best moments. It caught the punchy lines, kept the tips that actually land, and cut out all the long pauses. What this tool does is different from old-school editing because it looks for peaks in energy and topic changes. The result was not perfect, but the heavy lifting was done in seconds. Instead of spending hours, I only spent a few minutes refining the final output. Another thing that helps speed up the process is the automatic captioning feature. It pulls speech to text, so you get editable captions that perfectly match the clip. This is huge for short-form platforms where captions drive retention. In my example, I literally forgot to plug in my microphone, so the audio was pretty rough. The tool normalizes the audio and applies basic cleanup to get it to a very usable place. If you need deeper restoration, you can export the clip and run it through a specialized tool. When it comes to visuals, I had some moments where I was reading from a script and my eyes wandered. This tool is focused on repurposing your content fast and getting it out across platforms. It integrates with stock libraries and gives you smart suggestions for B-roll that matches the moment. In my fitness clip, I needed B-roll for tips like staying hydrated and eating real food. I searched the built-in library for short walk footage and healthy meal shots, and just dropped them in. Not everything needs to be shot by you. Sometimes dropping in a quick stock shot is the most professional option. Music and sound effects are handled in the same exact place. I browsed a few royalty-free tracks, dropped one underneath the whole piece, and lowered the volume with a single slider. That final audio polish is what makes the clip feel finished and truly shareable. Now here is where this tool separates itself when you are trying to grow a brand. Creating one viral clip is great, but creators win on consistency. You can set a posting cadence, and the tool will automatically schedule and publish clips for you. It lays everything out on a calendar so you can see which clips are going live and when. That ability to plan and automate is the difference between making one video and running a growing channel. I do not want to pretend this tool does everything for you. It won't replace a full-blown audio engineer for complex restoration. But if you are an entrepreneur or a creator trying to post consistently, this removes the friction. Let me walk you through the final product from my little test. The video felt punchy and professional. A quick intro, 3 concise tips, and a neat wrap. Captions matched perfectly, transitions were clean, and the total time I spent was less than 20 minutes. A few practical tips if you decide to try this yourself. Do not overthink perfect footage. Shoot with decent lighting and minimize background noise, but you do not need a Hollywood setup. Use the content calendar to plan in advance, which keeps you consistent. Keep your voice clear because auto-captioning is great, but clear audio helps engagement. Mix generated clips with occasional bespoke content so you can stay creative. If you already love deep editing tools, you can absolutely use both systems together. But if your goal is to grow an audience and save time, this makes the path a lot shorter. It is not magic, it is smart tooling that lets you actually ship your content. Try it with a noisy, messy recording and see how much time it saves you. Once you get used to the workflow, you will wonder how you ever edited the old way. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.